पुढच्या सेशनसाठी इंडसइंड बँकचे अमित सिंग आणि राजेश सर वाईस प्रेसिडेंट यांना इथे स्टेजवर आमंत्रित करते. ज्यांना BBNGची मेंबरशिप घ्यायची आहे त्यांनी नचिकेत यांच्याशी संपर्क करावा. 755820208309. धन्यवाद.
So good evening everyone. Just to know my audience, I would just like to know people who are into the business of import and export by show of hands. And somebody who's planning to get into the business of import and export? Okay. I would just like to know from a few of you, anybody who's feeling the heat of compliance, IDPMS, EDPMS issues with ORM, IRM, banks coming up to you and telling you that you are non-compliant, transaction hona mushkil hai. So I'm sure a lot of people who are new to this will face the heat, which is exactly why we are here to give you a presentation, a small snapshot of what you need to take care when you're starting this business of import and export, what exactly as a bank IndusInd has to offer, why compliance has become a little of a necessity, and what exactly can we do to take it forward. Next, please. Now, what exactly is trade? अब वो domestic हो या international हो, trade होता क्या है? आपने मटीरियल किसी से खरीदा, उसको शिपमेंट की, उसका पैसा लेना और उसका पैसा देना, मटीरियल का इंश्योरेंस करवाना और वो मटीरियल सेफ्टी पहुंचवाना. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ट्रेड इज ऑल अबाउट. एंड यहाँ पे बैंक का क्या रोल है? पैसे का लेन देन एंड एक्चुअल मूवमेंट ऑफ मटीरियल हुआ है कि नहीं. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट अ बैंक हैज टू डू. राइट. नेक्स्ट. This is what IndusInd Bank has to offer as far as accounts are concerned. There are two types of accounts that the bank has to offer. One, a $1 feature. The $1 has only one commitment from the customer to maintain 1 lakh rupee of balance. Just like the account variant, you just need to pay 83 rupees flat for every transaction that you do. Right? The other two features are Exim Basic and Exim Advantage. वहाँ पे आप बैंक को कमिटमेंट दे रहे हो as far as exchange of dollars are concerned. वहाँ पे charges are a little different. It's there on the board for you all to see. It is on request that we can share this as and when you require. Next. Now, whenever you do transaction, a lot of the times for our SME and the MSME market, we face the heat क्योंकि SME और MSME में majority transactions are always signed by the proprietor, the owner, the directors. यहाँ पे और कोई signatory available नहीं होते. You don't delegate these signing authorities to anyone. Normally आप खुद ही अपने पास रखते हो. Now what do you do if you need to do transaction and if you're traveling abroad? ये सारे वो segment है जहाँ पे transaction because आप खुद करते हो, sales भी आप खुद ही responsible हो. नॉर्मली ये सेगमेंट में लोग खुद ही ट्रैवल करके सेल्स करते हैं, तो आप बैंकिंग करोगे कैसे? विच इज वाई देयर इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड कनेक्ट ऑनलाइन. ट्रांजैक्शंस आपके ऑफिस का स्टाफ रेज करेगा, आपको सिर्फ उसको या तो मोबाइल से या फिर अपने लैपटॉप से लॉगिन करके अप्रूव करना है. वी डू नॉट रिक्वायर सिग्नेचर्स ऑन एनी फिजिकल फॉर्म. वी ओनली आस्क यू टू अप्रूव इट वाया सम ऑनलाइन मोड. You only need to log in. That's it. That is the USP and the benefit of this platform. Next. The product suite for all these features that we've got to offer is here again. यहाँ पे आप import, export, जो भी transaction का nature हो, भले वो advance हो, कोई bill collection के अंडर आया हो, कोई LC bill का payment हो, by any chance आपको कोई डॉक्यूमेंट का पेमेंट करना हो जो बैंक के पास पड़ा हुआ है, एनी ट्रांजैक्शन दैट यू हैव टू डू, यू कैन डू थ्रू दिस ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म. दिस इज द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पे आपका कंप्लायंस क्लोजर्स भी होता है, जो आज के दिन में तकलीफ वाला पॉइंट बना हुआ है फॉर एवरी इंपोर्टर एंड एक्सपोर्टर. हाउ डू यू लुक एट इट? देयर इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म कनेक्ट ऑनलाइन जिसमें जाके आपको आपके आईसी के अगेंस्ट में जितनी भी ईडीपीएमएस एंड आईडीपीएमएस डंप है वो पूरा का पूरा अवेलेबल है. The only point here to note is अगर एडी कोड इंडसइंड का अवेलेबल है तो ही आपको डंप में दिखेगा, अगर इंडसइंड का एडी कोड नहीं है वो आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं दिखेगा। वी आर ओनली ऑथराइज टू शो यू जो मेरे पास अवेलेबल है। नेक्स्ट। नाउ एज फार एज फाइनेंसिंग ऑफ दिस ट्रेड ट्रांजैक्शन इज कंसर्न्ड, what we need to take care of about for all the exporters and importers, आपको ब्रिज करना है अपना गैप। एक्सपोर्ट अगर हम हैं, हाउ डू आई ब्रिज माई गैप? मेरे पास ऑर्डर आया हुआ है, आई नीड टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस ऑर्डर, आई डोंट हैव फंड्स अवेलेबल विथ मी, हाउ डू आई ब्रिज दिस गैप ऑफ फंडिंग? कैन द बैंक हेल्प मी? द आंसर इज yes. Can the bank do anything for me? The answer again is yes. Similarly on the import side, I am not a very large party that I can negotiate payment terms. I can't tell somebody from outside or abroad that कि भाई मैं payment बाद में करूँगा. Because I am a new startup, they will ask me to give me funds beforehand. What do I do in this kind of a scenario? Can the bank help me? The answer again is yes. ये सारे structures आपके पास available है, which is available on the screen. This is the structure how we can finance all your transactions. Next. There are a lot of other SMEs rather, who just crossed a turnover about 20, 30, 40 odd crores, who started having a foreign entity. A company in Dubai, a company in Hong Kong, a company in London, a company in Singapore. यहाँ पे company again establish करने के बाद आपको उसको fund करना पड़ेगा. What if I don't have any source of income there? I just want to establish it. Can a bank here again help me to fund that? Answer is yes. Again, it's a structured based solution available to you, not for MSMEs, but for SMEs. Any other way in which I can take benefit of any government scheme which is available for exporters? I don't know how many of you are exporters here. If you could just give me by show of hands. Does anyone know कि अगर आप मैन्युफैक्चर एक्सपोर्टर्स हो तो आपको एक 3% सबवेंशन मिलता है गवर्नमेंट से? फॉर एनी फंडिंग दैट यू टेक फ्रॉम अ बैंक, you get 3% subvention on the interest that is charged by you by the bank. This is available only when you have an MSME certification and you are a manufacturer. MSME certification में आपके HSN कोड रहते हैं, आप क्या क्या मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो, HSN कोड के अंदर ही डेडिकेटेडली RBI and the DGFT है डिसाइडेड ये अगर आपके एक्सपोर्ट होते हैं आइटम्स तो आपको अपफ्रंट 3% सबवेंशन दिया जाता है. दिस सबवेंशन स्कीम इज अवेलेबल टू ऑल द एक्सपोर्टर्स प्रोवाइडेड इट इज अप्रूव्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. It is there online available. Most of the banks are never able to pitch it to the customers. As an MSME or an SME, you are not aware about these products. How do you get to know? Only when the bank promotes it. How do you avail the scheme? Only when you have funding in INR. आपके पास अगर लोन INR में है, फंडिंग रेज करिए, 3% सबवेंशन आपको बैंक देगा. आपको किसी के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपके पास सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेशन होना मैंडेटरी है. एज लॉन्ग एज दैट इज एप्लीकेबल, यू गेट दैट सबवेंशन अप फ्रंट. नेक्स्ट. नाउ व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड से मैं डोमेस्टिक आता हूं. A lot of people start asking question like we were hearing here. A lot of people start asking question कि भाई I'm a new startup, vintage 3-4 साल का ही हुआ है. I have collateral available with me because I have done service in the past. I've just started my business. I'm looking for an angel investor. Angel investor perhaps is looking at a return of about 12, 13, 15% stake in the equity. How do I convince him not to take a stake in my company? Fund me for a few years, let my business grow. I'll give you back your money. Let the business stay with me. Is the option available with the bank? Answer again is yes. Second, एक और तरीका जहां पे लोगों को दिक्कतें आई थी. कोविड होने के बाद बहुत ज्यादा फ्लक्चुएशन हुआ टर्नओवर में. We saw that happening. Suddenly post COVID the turnovers have improved. But बैंक किस पे lend करता है? On your actual balance sheet. Past performance. Future नहीं देखता. How do you prove yourself that you're actually performing this year? Difficult? Answer is yes. What do I do if I have a predominantly cash-dominated business? मेरे पास कैश ज़्यादा है, जो इंडियन कल्चर में somehow or the other हम बुक्स में नहीं दिखाते. इन तीनों का कोई तोड़ है मेरे पास? बैंकिंग फ्रेटर्निटी में सबके पास है, एटलीस्ट इंडसइंड का आपको अपफ्रंट बता देता हूँ. We have a program for all people who are having issues with COVID, जहाँ पे turnover drastic fall हुआ है, profitability drastic fall हुई है. Any people suffering from that sort of a scenario, you have a program called GST-OD. आपका पिछले 12 महीने का GST रिटर्न सिर्फ पुल किया जाएगा. We don't have, you just have to share the OTP for fetching your GST data. We will fetch it on your behalf. GST में जो आपने रिटर्न फाइल की है, that's it. उसके बेसिस पे within 2 days, if you support with all the documentation, within 2 days the sanction can come in. Maximum amount that can be funded under this program is 2 crores. I cannot go beyond it. Financial calls इसमें ज़्यादा लिया नहीं जाता, आपका financials पे ज़्यादा focus नहीं किया जाता, आपका CIBIL पे किया जाएगा. If the CIBIL score is good enough, I think this is a model which will upfrontly work. यहाँ पे collateral की requirement आएगी बैंक को, because we are funding somebody with a fluctuating turnover. Similarly, on the other hand, जहाँ पे आपका cash का business ज़्यादा है. On the other hand, where नया startup है, 3-4 साल हो गए हैं, turnover उतना नहीं है, but projected turnover अच्छा है. If I have a self-occupied residential property or a self-occupied commercial property, and if I have a good hefty balance in my current account, I again don't need your financials at all. मेरे को आपका बैलेंस शीट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. आप जितने भी बैंकों से बैंकिंग कर रहे हो, सारे का बैंक स्टेटमेंट पिछले 12 महीने का दे दीजिए. बैंकिंग सरोगेट के अंदर में मैक्सिमम आई कैन फंड यू टिल 6 crores. Again, on self-occupied residential property and self-occupied commercial property. Again, financial पे focus नहीं है. Right? These are upfront, जहाँ पे financial requirements are on the lower scale. Otherwise, जो SME है, SME knows how to pick up funds. There are different structures for them. There are GIFT City angles for them. Buyer's credit, PCFC, everything is available to them. You just need to hardcore negotiate on pricing, which as a bank, anyways, we are doing it. Right? If you can go ahead. Now, why as an exporter or an importer, you would want to bank with a bank like IndusInd Bank? A lot of people are not aware. मेरा एक invert आ गया, मेरे को SMS आ गया बैंक से. How do I settle it? I need to go to the office, sign some documents, send my dog boy to the branch. You don't have to do that with IndusInd Bank. ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म आपको बता दिया था, आप वहाँ से सेटल कर सकते हो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देर आर 2 more ways ऑफ सेटलिंग योर इनवर्ट्स. SMS के थ्रू इनवर्ट सेटलमेंट. एवर हर्ड ऑफ दैट? You get an SMS, a link, settle your invert via that link. It will only go to the registered user. It will not go to somebody else. So registered user को खाली SMS link से अपना invert settle करना है. Similarly, आप घूमते रहते हो, आपको पता भी नहीं कि आपने अपने messages भी नहीं देखे हैं. There is just a one-time declaration that you give to the bank. As soon as the invert hits, within 1 hour it gets credited to your account. Basis what? A one-time declaration that you've signed and given to the bank. Right? काफ़ी ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ें आती हैं customers को कि बाबा, a lot of my customers have told me to deliver the material somewhere in Africa, but payment आएगी मेरे को दुबई से. Third party payment? Banking fraternity में allowed नहीं है, is what other banks say. Sorry to say, RBI permit करता है, and so does IndusInd Bank. As long as you've got money in advance, which means you know who's sending you the money, आपको उस पार्टी का नाम shipping bill में capture करना है. If you are getting money after the exports, you need to give me a declaration that you were not aware कि third party से payment आनी है. IndusInd Bank will settle your exports and give you the BRC for that document. Right? There are a lot of issues जहाँ पे exporters and importers who we faced have told us continuously that they've submitted their compliance documents to the banks. Shipping bill जो export के समय पे आता है, या bill of entry जो import के समय में आता है, बैंक में दे दिया, acknowledgement ले भी लिया, बैंक वाले कुछ कर नहीं रहे, स्टाफ चेंज होते रहते हैं आपके. Acknowledgement है, उसके बदले भी हम escalation करते हैं, कोई काम का नहीं है. How do I get out of that scenario? What if I were to tell you that ये same चीज़ आप email के through कर सकते हो to IndusInd Bank. You don't have to give documents, physical documents to anyone. आपके पास ऑनलाइन चैनल था, आपको ऑनलाइन यूज नहीं करना. आपके पास ऑफिस स्टाफ है, आपको साइन करके देना है किसी को विद एक्नॉलेजमेंट, so that you have a proof that you have submitted. Okay, you have an email mechanism जहाँ पे आपने जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनाए हैं आप ईमेल कर दीजिए. There is a centralized desk, ईमेल करिए, आपके पास एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट कॉपी रहेगी. उस ईमेल के बेसिस पे बैंक आपका काम करके देगा. दिस इज फॉर क्लोजर ऑफ योर कंप्लायंसेस. 3 precise reasons why all exporters want to bank with IndusInd Bank. Right? Apart from that, all the other things, pre-shipment, post-shipment, packing credit, जो INR में मैंने second last point लिखा है, that is the point जहाँ पे subvention मिलता है 3% का. That subvention is applicable till the year 2024 as per the last government scheme. Normally extend hoga, but we don't know whether it will get extended by 3%, by 2%, by 1%. Currently, we are unaware. Right, next. Now, these are few things which have just come up. LCBD, FLCBD. LCBD is LC discounting. FLCBD is foreign LC discounting. And there is something called sales bill discounting. आप कोई A-rated कंपनी के साथ डील कर रहे हो, उनकी आपकी इनवॉइस एक्सेप्ट हो चुकी है, आपको उसको डिस्काउंट करके पैसे चाहिए विदाउट गिविंग कोलैटरल. अगेन एक्सेप्टेबल, उसके बेस पे आप फंडिंग उठा सकते हो. राइट, नेक्स्ट. नाउ व्हाई इंपोर्टर? आई हैव टोल्ड यू कनेक्ट ऑनलाइन. इंपोर्टर्स यूजुअली यूज आवर ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म टू मेक देयर पेमेंट्स. Advantage, most of the banks that you walk into will tell you their cutoff is 130. आप exchange rate book कर सकते हो till 330. That is RBI guideline. But the banker will tell you counter बंद हो गया 1:30 बजे. आपको document उसके पहले करने थे तो आज होगा, otherwise कल होगा. What if I were to tell you कि इसकी टाइमिंग कनेक्ट ऑनलाइन में डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप शाम को 6:30 बजे तक चढ़ाओ, ट्रांजैक्शन सेम डे होगा, प्रोवाइडेड योर रेट इज बुक बिफोर 3:30. So you get that flexibility of timing also for an importer scenario. क्यों? कलेक्शन आपका लोकल है. अगर डिलेड कलेक्शन आया और आपको पेमेंट सेम डे निकालनी है तो आप करोगे कैसे? You need flexibility in timing. That is present with you through our Connect Online platform. You can submit the bill of entry, which had already been told to you, to a centralized desk, billofentry@indusind.com. You don't have to visit our branches at all. Bias credit again is something which is a delayed payment mechanism, जहाँ पे SME and MSME को usually कहाँ पे funding requirement आएगी? When you want to delay your payments, provided the imports are into the country. Next. Okay. There is one more new thing which has come up for most of the importers, which most of the banks have not told the importers. Any person who's doing import or who's about to venture into import, I think you should listen to the second point carefully. Foreign currency demand loan. Buyer's credit में इंडियन बैंक कोई फॉरेन बैंक के पास जाके लोन उठाता है. WCDL में फॉरेन करेंसी डिमांड लोन में बैंक खुद फंड करता है आपको. दे डोंट गो एनीवेयर. वो खुद की करेंसी डिपॉजिट्स जो भी उसने उठाई होगी, FCNR डिपॉजिट, NRI डिपॉजिट्स, उसी के बेसिस पे आपको लेंड करता है. एडवांटेज, कॉस्ट कम पड़ता है. That's the only advantage that you need to know. Anyways, if anyone has any queries, we can engage one-on-one. Right? Next. Hedging as a piece, most of the importers, at least I can tell you, rather I can tell you on both these fronts. Whenever we go and meet customers, exporter को हमेशा लगता है करेंसी ऊपर जाएगी. 83 का अगर डॉलर मार्केट होगा, उनको लगता है 85, 86 जाएगा. आप इंपोर्टर के पास चले जाइए, वो हमेशा ये बेट करेगा कि मार्केट 80, 81 के पास जाएगा. Everybody is pitching against each other. But normally, when you are into the business of dealing in material, trading in material, manufacturing, exporting, or importing and manufacturing, please don't play with currencies, has always been the advice of every bank. Unfortunately, MSME and SME space पे ये बातें टिकती नहीं है, because people are still unaware. Now let me give you a fact up front. आपका hedging cost for dollar today is not more than 2.5%. You will be shocked to know, because आप जिस टाइम पे सुनते होगे उस टाइम पे 3-4% हुआ करता था. Now it In fact, very recently it was 1.7%, it has gone up to 2.2%. 2.5% के ऊपर अब ये जाता नहीं है. Somehow or the other, if your business permits you to inbuild this cost into your own cost mechanism, please कर लीजिए. You can never bet on the currency market. It is not dependent on news in India. It is dependent on news worldwide. Turkey में earthquake आता है, exchange rate भाग जाता है. A lot of exporters who exported material to Turkey are now suffering this problem. They don't know when their money is coming in. Exported at a time जब 82 था, realization could happen when it was 80, or realization could happen when the currencies are 85. A call which the exporter has to take. Right? Next. Few of the things which most of the people do tend to forget, but please, it is a request with folded hands. Compliance पे imports and exports बहुत ज़्यादा focus आ गया है. Not only from the banks, but from every single regulator. They are not directly going in to the customers right now. They are coming up to a bank. ED office, DRI office, RBI, everybody is coming up to the bank. So it's best if you know what to do and what not to do. You have to know what is the timeline for submission of documents. You have to know what is the timeline of importing material if you've paid the money. You have to know what is the timeline within which you need to realize funds if you have exported material. If you don't know, I think compliance के लिए आपको किसी third party को engage करना पड़ेगा. Third party you don't want to pay, then please start banking with a bank who knows this. Bank will always know. It's the staff that you're dealing with will play an important role here. So if your staff or the RM fraternity so-called, अगर आपके RM को नहीं पता है तो आप तकलीफ में हो. So please bank with somebody who knows this, right? Who can take you out of trouble. यहाँ पे extension भी होती है timelines की. Bill of entry का payment आप late करना चाहो, allowed है, provided RBI को intimation गया हो. Shipping bill छप चुकी है, export का पैसा late आ रहा हो, allowed है, provided RBI को intimation दे दी गई हो. आपका export किया हुआ का पैसा नहीं आने वाला, write off allowed है up to a certain percentage. उसके beyond जा रहे हो तो RBI से permission ले सकते हो. Everything are aware with the bank, provided आपके RM को पता हो. Right? An important point to note here is, please be aware. If you are not, unawareness can never take you out of compliance issues. Right? And the last point is, the FD rates with our bank has now gone up really, really high. Anybody who's still doing business with their own funds, there is a single opportunity of arbitrage available to you. Import हो या export हो, आपके पास arbitrage की opportunity आज भी available है. Anybody who's willing to listen to 2%, 3% profitability on your own funds by undertaking transaction, we can engage again. My people will roll out the brochures once. I think we can engage once, whenever you're comfortable to, right? These are the FD rates. I think it's too small for people to see, but I think the best rate that we're currently offering is 7.5% for normal citizen, and it has gone up to 8.25 for a senior citizen. So any directors in the company who are a senior citizen, you're getting a rate of 8.25%, right? Thank you so much. Anyone with any questions? I couldn't ask. Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear you. I couldn't hear you. Yes, yes. So the 3% subvention is when you need to have the MSME certification with you. You have to be a manufacturer. I mean, the certification has to has to mention that you're a manufacturer. As long as these two conditions are met, we check your HSN code. That HSN code has to qualify for the 3% subvention. If it is, then you have to take up loan for export orders only. If you're taking loan for export orders, not an OD. So packing credit is in foreign currency also, is in INR also. So you would have to take it in INR only. You can't take it in foreign currency. So if you take in INR, you get 3% subvention. You can always hedge your foreign currency because you're getting loan in INR, which means that you will get 2.5% of forward premium anyways. You will be getting 5% in your pocket. You will be paying around 9% to the bank. You will be availing loan at 4%. And this 3% is upfront. So you don't have to approach anyone. The bank will upfrontly give you. So you don't have to go anywhere. Sorry, sir?
Can you elaborate more on that
आर्बिट्राज आर्बिट्राज आई डोंट नो कितने जन को समझ में आएगा. हम आर्बिट्राज की बातें बाहर करते हैं. आई एम एनीवेज फ्री.
Hello. Two basic questions. You said that transactions can be approved from that app anywhere. So my question is it possible to have multiple staff IDs and one approval ID?
Yes, yes. Normally it works that way. Normally it works that way, wherein
a question attached to that.
Initiator could be multiple. The approver has to be as per the board resolution that you submit. So as per the company's decision.
My question is attached to that. I knew it would be yes. The question is it possible to get some trade from management that how many initiations have been cancelled or not approved?
Sorry, sir, again.
How many initiations? So there are 3 people who are initiating transactions and 1 person approved. There would be some initiatives which have been cancelled.
Yes, yes. So on your platform, so suppose you are the approver. So on your platform, you can always check. So you mean to say that you need 3 layers: initiator, checker, and then the approver.
I want to know that out of my 3 people who have created, one is the person for whom there are maximum cancellations. Because
you get that MIS. So
Yeah,
there is
that's
a
what I want.
cancellation. You get that MIS monthly, weekly, as per your requirement.
Okay,
You have
okay.
the data available for the past 1 year itself. You will get to know how many you have cancelled, how many you have approved, for which user were they cancelled for. You can perhaps take them to task. If that is what you want.
that was the objective. And the second question is, do you
Sir,
also fund collateral free for small funds?
So collateral free है, but थोड़ा महंगा है.
Okay.
है, business loan है.
Thank you.
आय थिंक थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर बिकॉज आणखी जर कोणाला
I think I must thank BBN again for giving us this opportunity to at least partner with them, and thank you everyone for listening patiently. Thank you.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर. आणखी जर कोणाला काही पर्सनल क्वेश्चन असतील तर तुम्ही सरांना भेटू शकता.